All right, check this out. That's pretty cool. Quick change of battery. Downtown Toronto for a little bike ride. We are at Dundas Square. We're just fooling around back there. We're real noisy, and decided to head out east. Check it out. I've done a few walks here before, but we're gonna check out this situation here. Whoa, see that bird? Whew, amazing, amazing. Right into my face. I wonder if she's okay. Where are we? Hey, you guys okay? You need a...
Sure, okay, sure.
You okay? You called somebody?
No, she's breathing.
But call somebody. Doesn't she...
No, sure, okay. That's why I want to help you.
Huh?
That's why I'm here.
You okay? Okay. All right, take care. Oh man, what a craziness. All right, here. This is a pretty good noodle place. This is one of the first noodle places in Toronto. Ramen place. That's really cool. What street is this? We're at Church Street. Okay. I got passed out people and constructions. You can never have enough. Where should we go up? We will go up on the next. It's a cool block. That gas station is not going to be there in about, say, 6 months. 6 months. Maybe 6 months, yeah, because gas prices are going up. If the gas prices would stay the same, if the U.S. administration hadn't changed, that gas station would be toast by now because gas would be so cheap, they couldn't make any money. But, and I think the gas price is going to save them a little bit. Wow. So the next street is going to be Jarvis. This is a nice building. I really like this building. Watch the car. Jarvis. We need to go up. We need to go to Yorkville because I'm meeting my friend. At Yorkville. Look at that thing. Let's go. Let's go down and check out this building here. They're demolishing this. What was this? A hotel? This is the construction. I really wow. Yeah. There. They're demolishing this guy. You see? Very slowly. I like it when they do slow demolition. What was this? A hotel? It still has the Canadian flag on there. I guess they take the Canadian flag last. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. This company, they take everything down really slowly. And then they put a little, so the building doesn't come down right away. I guess maybe it's a cheaper way of doing it. I don't know. Wow. That guy was doing some drugs. Oh, that's a funky area, isn't it? So far we had a lady that was passed out with a construction guy looking after her. It's kind of odd in itself. And then we had a gentleman who's smoking or something. And we're gonna hit this curve. All right, a little curve action. Street biking. Street riding here. I don't know if that showed up on video or not, but yeah, he was smoking. I don't know, like, it's not the first time I've seen in New York. I used to go to this park and everybody was smoking and injecting themselves. This used to be the Sears building. This lane is closed and the street's very tight. I'm looking at buildings, I'm checking out the buildings, so I decided to ride on the sidewalk gently. I used to go to school here back in the day. And I used to have to walk down here. This is a court place. Interesting building. Ba, 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 ba. And the birds are happy. Another construction here. Is this a construction? Yeah, it's not a turd. They tore something down here. I don't know what it was here, but oh, actually, do I know? I think it's gonna come on. What was here? I did take a photograph of this area. I don't know what it was, but we'll see. We'll find out. I have a photograph here, but wow, isn't it interesting when they dig the place out? You have no idea. What used to be there before. There's a bike lane. What street is this? Gerard. Oh, that's good to know. There's a bike lane on the street, so you can, next time we can go on this. Why don't we use this to go this way? Since this street is super construction. Just looking south on Jarvis. And here we go. That's better. The street was a little bit too tight. It's a noisy BMW. Ah, screw it. We're doing the sidewalk. Besides, I want to check out this gas station here. I was, all right, that's good. So, oh, look at this place. Oh, I'm super hungry too. Let's do a look back on this store. I think I did a photograph of this at one point during one of my walks here. That's a cool shot. Yeah, that's the one. You got the. Maybe this could be a thumbnail. I don't know. Maybe. All right. Let's head out to. Where did we start this video? Whew. Started at just outside of Dundas Square, right? Yeah. Church Street. So we're on Gerard, heading west, and let's go up Church Street. They were doing construction here. Hopefully, construction is over. This is one of the first places in Canada that I lived in the street. Around this area. My God, smells like, I guess it's this place. Heavy, heavy fried food. Just heavy fried food. I haven't had fried food for a long time. Is this, I don't know if it's masked lady kept coming forward, more forward. Oh. And here we are at the famous Maple Leaf Gardens. Maple Leaf Gardens. This is the hockey center of the world. Maple Leaf hockey team used to play here, but now it's a Loblaws grocery store. I guess like that hockey team, the last game they won was in 1860s or something. 18 or 1960s, I don't know, something like that. I think it was 1860s, the last game they won. So, you know, after losing so many years, the city took away their this beautiful arena, and they give them a small arena downtown to punish him. And I don't think that was very fair, but that's how it is. Okay, where are we? We are at Church Street, and Wesley should be next. Oh my God, it's all uphill. I used to go to school here, and I used to live here. Before it was trendy. I used to live right by the Maple Leaf Gardens, and I remember hockey night, people were selling tickets, and it was like a ruckus, you know, it was like just a ruckus. And then the concert nights, the Van Halens would come down here, and the AC/DCs, oh my God, we had good times. I was too young to go see them, but it was still a good time for people who, you know, hanged out here. Alright, patios. It's a patio right in the middle of the street. Street patios. Wow, that building was pretty cool. Where are we? We're in the village. West Village. Is this West? We call this West Village. Okay. Just squeeze by this patio, people. Everybody's out. Everybody's rock and rolling here. Everybody's rock and rolling here. Let's go to, I'm gonna go straight to Bloor. Oh, this guy just hit his Porsche SUV into the curb. I don't know if you're supposed to be doing that. Oh, this pizza place, I've been here for years. I used to come here for pizza back in the day. They got the black and white police car, ethnically correct color. We have different color police cars in the city for different ethnicities that require them to identify with the police cars. So this one is a black and white one. Oh, no. Oh, hold on. I got a memory here. Hold on. Look at this. That's a pretty cool. There used to be a beer store here. They yanked the beer store out. Yeah, I remember that beer store. There used to be a restaurant down there too. I used to have a birthday party in that restaurant. What was it called? I forget now. In this park, I did my first photo assignment in this park. It was a women's march, Take Back the Night, it was called. And the school sent me down here to photograph it. I did a picture of a kid. Right. Oh, maybe that bench. I don't know. The kid sitting on that bench was my first, right here, somewhere around here. That was my first street photo ever. And then I photographed the march and the police arresting them and the vandals and all that kind of stuff. And that ran in the school paper. And I was like, wow, they were expecting me. They sent me down here and they're expecting me to take a general shot and leave. And I stayed there till like 2 in the morning, shooting everything. Look at that house. Shot at everything. And they gave me an essay. I think I had you had a whole double page of all your pictures. And they were like, wow, this is great. It was good times, good times. That was my first walk with that was my first assignment with the newspaper, like a proper assignment. And at that time, I guess I took my first street portrait. I still have that picture somewhere. If I find it, I'll post it, but I don't think I'll find it that easy. Yeah, it was a great picture. I wonder what that kid is. It's probably 40 years ago, 40. Yeah, the kid's got to be like 30. Wow, that's crazy. Take Back the Night March. I don't know if they still have it or what's going on with it. That's what happened. This is church. A couple of weeks ago when I came down here, they were digging this place and you couldn't even walk here. It was a mess. So I guess they fixed it all up. And it's all fresh asphalt. Tarmac. What do you call it? Pavement? Something. Another condo goes up there. But they're keeping the front of the building. Oh, my God. That's okay. Dog's like, I don't like this guy. They're doing that. Look at that guy. She's like, she give me that look like, I don't know what to do with this dog. Come and take it. Hey lady, that's not my dog, lady. Let's do a look back. There's no cars coming, so looking back down Church Street. This is July 2021. Look back on Church Street. All right, there you go. A bit of a, ooh, gears came off. I was gonna do a wheelie, but didn't happen. Wow, this is actually gorgeous. This church. Hope they don't take this down. That's a nice looking building. Cowboy. All right. So Bloor Street is next, and we're gonna head to Yorkville. I don't know if my friend is ready or not. She said she was having a manicure, you know. So girls will be girls. All right. Make a left turn into this craziness. There we go. We are lefting in the craziness. I used to work in that building too. I didn't work there, but I used to work for a company there called Health and Safety Agency. They had a crazy budget. And yeah, spent just a lot of money. Let's put this shut. It's crazy. I gotta cut in traffic things. All right, crazy budget. And yeah, we used to do a lot of work for them. I didn't charge them a lot of money, but they would give me daily work, you know, daily small gigs, which was great because you want to have, if you have too many big gigs, if anything goes wrong, it just takes out your chunk of your income. But if you have a bunch of small gigs, doesn't matter if you lose 2 or 3 jobs. It's like stock portfolio. I don't know what people say about people like big jobs and stuff. It's fine, you know, because you know you get these big checks. But yeah, I would get like so much small work, which was a lot of photographers didn't like small work. They wanted big shoots and big corporate and all that stuff. But the small ones was stable because even if you lost a couple of clients, didn't matter, you know, because it was like diversifying your stock portfolio. It was good times. And they were a government agency, so once the government changed, they were gone. No more wasting money for them. So, oh well, easy come, easy go, I guess. Well, although it wasn't easy for me, I was working hard. Yeah, but the stuff they were making me photograph was kind of like probably not necessary. I mean, nothing is necessary, right? They got to spend the money on something. So we are on Bloor Street heading west to Yorkville. How was the ride today? Everybody good? I did actually a pretty long ride. I turned off the GPS halfway through because the Fitbit, when you have the GPS on, it just eats battery like it's on a hunger strike, you know? Just finishes. So I don't want to burn out all the battery, but yeah, it's a pretty long. I did like 3 or 4 segments of the film. See how it goes. But it's fun anyway. You know, just it's fun hanging out and riding with you guys, keeping me company. Wow, we're in downtown Toronto on a mission bike ride in the city. Let's put some of these words in the video so that you know they know what we're doing. We're downtown Toronto on Bloor Street, bike riding, cycling, tour of the city. We've gone through tourist spots, we've gone to non-tourist spots, and now we're gonna go through Yorkville. Yorkville it is. I don't think my friend's here, but when I'm gonna get to the rock and end the video there and give her a call, see if she's done or not. If she's done, I'll talk to her a bit. If she's not, that's okay too, because I'm starving. I want to go and make some chicken, and I still got a long ride back. I've probably been riding 2.5 hours, but I'm trying to stay shape. Thanks for watching, all the comments, all the views and likes and new subscribers. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video in Yorkville. Alright, here's the rock. My favorite part of Yorkville. The rack. Okay. Beautiful.